If a random $300 expense would still ruin your whole week, then this video is for you. Because there is a point where those oh no moments become whatever moments, and it starts with your first $10,000 saved. Online, everyone talks about being a millionaire, hitting 7 figures and reaching these massive financial freedom numbers. But honestly, the first milestone that actually changes how your brain works is way, way smaller. It's not $1 million. It's not even 100,000. It's this, your first $10,000 in cash, sitting in an account, untouched. That is the exact point where your life quietly shifts from anything could ruin me to I can handle most of the random crap life throws at me. Think about how life feels without that $10,000 cushion. How many of your daily decisions are made from a place of fear, not genuine preference? At the grocery store, you're calculating every single item like it's a high-stakes stock trade. A simple $25 dinner invite from friends feels like it could completely wreck your weekly budget. A surprise $300 bill shows up, and suddenly you're staring down credit cards, payment plans, or the awkward conversation of borrowing from family. When you're in that mode, you're not building a future. You're just trying to survive the month. Now, what actually changes when you hit that $10,000 mark? Your lifestyle doesn't magically glow up. You're not suddenly buying a Tesla. You're not moving into a luxury high-rise. The change is completely invisible to the outside world. What happens is you stop treating every little expense like it's a 5-alarm fire. A car repair, a sudden vet bill, a last-minute flight for a family emergency. These things become an annoyance, not a full-blown disaster. You finally have mental permission to think past your next paycheck. Money stops feeling like this constant, looming threat. Instead, it becomes a quiet safety net under everything you do. But the real flex isn't just the money itself. It's the person you had to become to get there. To reach that number, you had to say no to impulse buys 100 times. You had to notice the leaks in your spending that you used to ignore. You built the powerful habit of paying yourself first, not last. Once that new identity locks in, the identity of I'm someone who saves, the next 1,000, the next 5,000, the next 10,000 doesn't feel impossible anymore. It feels like you've finally built a system that's working for you. And here is the crazy part. Someone making $45,000 a year with $10,000 saved is often way more financially stable than someone making $120,000 with nothing in the bank. Because the real skill isn't just making money, it's keeping money. The high earner with no cushion says yes to every car payment, every upgrade, and stays permanently stressed out. But the quiet saver with a $10,000 buffer can say no, negotiate from a position of strength, and walk away from bad jobs and bad deals. Same country, same economy, but completely different stress levels. So where do you even start? If that $10,000 number feels huge right now, just zoom in. Forget the big number. Start with something small, like $5 a day or $150 a month. Automate it. Set up a recurring transfer so that future you gets paid before Starbucks, before Uber Eats, before Amazon, and treat that money as sacred. It's not for gadgets. It's not for random weekend trips. It's only for real emergencies or legitimate life-changing opportunities. Because the real benefit of this money isn't the interest it earns, it's the peace of mind and the options it gives you. If your checking account currently looks like a low phone battery, you're not doomed. You just need a plan. Start small, stay consistent, and stop obsessing over getting rich overnight. Instead, focus on this one question. How soon can I buy myself some breathing room? That first $10,000 won't make you wealthy. But it will make you dangerously calm in a world where everyone else is just one bill away from a full-blown panic. Thanks so much for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button for more. See you in the next one.